sponge gourd. Can you think I'm making hummus out of it? For that, I have just removed the skin and I've sliced it into pieces and boiling it. After boiling, I've taken a mixer jar, added some sesame seed, some salt goes into it, garlic pot goes into it, and I'm going to churn it. After churning, I'm adding some olive oil into it, juice goes into it, and the steamed or the boiled sponge gourd or the tori goes inside it. Yes, it's a vegetable found in the summer time only, and some cheese goes into it. You'll be shocked because people don't like tori or sponge gourd, but this recipe they are just going to love it. It is keto friendly, low carb, and plus the whole family can enjoy. I've just churned it and it's done. I'm taking it out in a bowl, sprinkling some chili flakes and some extra virgin olive oil over it. And this you can have with your sliced veggies or with cheese sticks if you are following keto or low carb, or you can have it with your lavash if you are following a normal diet. Enjoy this lovely sponge gourd or tori hummus.